Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to find Binance wallet address. So first of all, open this Binance app and you can see many options are here. You can select this wallet option. Here is lot of options: overview, spot, funding, margin, futures and earn. Now you see lots of cryptocurrency is here. Then you choose which cryptocurrency you need. But if you want to deposit here, now you can select spot option and now click deposit. If you need USDT, then you can search USDT and select this.
I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth.
Next, you click Ethereum, the wallet address is here. Now you can copy this.
I know it hurts.
If you need LTC, it means Litecoin. Then you select this Litecoin. You see a wallet address is here. Also copy this. This same way you can find, withdraw and transfer wallet address. Hope you can understand how to find Binance wallet address. So keep supporting to us. We'll see you the next video. Thank you.